In this video, we're going to go over 3 sites that pay you automatically via PayPal. Okay, so the first site I'm going to bring to you guys is slicethepie.com. Now, slicethepie.com pays you to write reviews on new songs, fashion items, accessories, commercials before they actually release. All reviews go directly to the unsigned artist or fashion designer to give them feedback. This company was started in 2007. Initially, there was a music review site, and in 2015, they added more review categories to the list. They pay using PayPal only. They do not do vouchers or discounts. It's real cash only. So as you can see, I already have an account here, and I just tried it out, and just doing a couple of their surveys, I've generated $1.06, which is not a lot, but I didn't spend a lot of time on this site, and I already got 2 stars because of the type of reviews that I do. And also, you can actually get paid to refer friends as well, which I thought was a nice little additive to this service. So it's real simple. Real simple to create an account. You just you go and you sign up, you create the account, and then you wait for the confirmation email. You wait for the confirmation email to come, and then you just click the link that's provided to confirm your account. You can start reviewing right away to earn income. Now, it's not going to be a get-rich-quick thing. It's going to take a little time, and this is supplemental income. This is not going to replace your 9 to 5 or anything. But if you have free time, this is something really, really good for you. It can actually be really, really good for you if you want to make additional money. And just basically the way I calculated how you can make money with this, if you spend a couple hours on it a day, you can make decent money. I mean, it's low. It's not, like I said, it's not a get rich quick scheme, but you can build your account up pretty decently over the month. It's not going to be something where you want to just make a ton of money in one day or make $100 a day. No, it's not going to work like that. But it's collectively over the month's time, you can generate a few extra $100 a month with using this website. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of show you guys a little of the reviews and some of the things in the back end. Okay, here we go. Okay, so right now, they're giving bonus dollars for film reviews. These are trailers and stuff of that nature. Like, you're going to review trailers, and they're going to give you X amount of dollars or X amount of cents for reviewing that trailer. The music side doesn't really pay that well. It was like 1 to 2 to 3 cents, and I didn't really like that. But the film side was really, really easy. Each video is less than 3 minutes, and you just watch the video and then answer. You just give them a detailed description of how you felt about the video, about the trailer itself, and then provide it with a rating from 1 to 10. The music side, it was a little more difficult to because you have to listen to at least 90 seconds of the song, and then provide a rating for it from 1 to 10, and then also write a detailed description of it. And a few times I actually failed the review because I don't know what type of software that they use, but in the back end of it, it was telling me that it wasn't relevant to what the questions I was supposed to be answering. So I just kept it about the song. I didn't add anything extra, and I just wrote about the song. I only did 2 of those. And it was just, for me, it wasn't worth it. They have some really, really good music and stuff like that. I haven't done the fashion side yet, and I haven't done Lucky Dip yet, but I've done, I think, about maybe 6 or 7 film reviews. Yeah, about 6 or 7 film reviews, and I just watched some trailers. Some of the movies are brand new, and they're not even, the trailers are not even live yet, and then some of the movies are movies that are already out. So but that's about it. So, I mean, with Slice the Pie, it's pretty good company. Like I said, I've read a lot of good reviews on this company, and I've gone to their social media links and everything, and I don't see any bad reviews or anything like that. So you guys might want to give that a try. Again, that's slicethepie.com. I will leave a link in the description for all the websites that we reviewed today. Okay. All right. So the next website that I want to go over with you guys is GigWalk. Now, it's a website, but to get paid, you have to use their app. They were founded in 2010. The goal was to reinvent work in the mobile world. So that's what their website says. Get paid to complete tasks in your area. I know you guys seen these type of apps. You install the app on your phone. You sign up for it. I actually went through the process of signing up and everything, and just to check out everything and make sure everything was working good. And it's a very intuitive app. It's nice. So they have the app for Android and Apple products. So that was a plus. All you have to do is basically just register your account, answer some basic questions, and you're ready to go. Now, you have to link your PayPal account with them. So it's real easy. Just add the same email address that you're using to sign up should be the email address that you use for your PayPal account. So make sure you keep that in mind. All right. And then all you do is just find and complete gigs in your area. Now, you do have to apply for these gigs, but it didn't seem to be hard. It didn't seem hard to be accepted for the gigs. All you have to do is, once you're accepted, is follow the instructions and submit your work directly into the app. I don't know what the full payout is. But they have gigs that range from $3 to $100, and they can take you anywhere from between 5 minutes to a few hours, depending on the pay. It's a flexible work schedule, and it's just for people who maybe just want to make some extra bucks on the weekend or need something more. And they allow you to do that. You can make as much money as you want to make. Basically, you just got to work for it. And it's not online per se, because you will be physically going to certain locations and completing the task. But on your free time and stuff like that, if you have nothing to do, this is the perfect way to make some money. And they do pay, like I said, they do pay via PayPal. So on the site itself, it says download the app. Register your GigWalk account, link your PayPal account, and find complete gigs in your area. And that's it. That's basically it. So here are some of the benefits of it. And I have a few videos on YouTube and stuff about how the app works and everything, and it's really, really good for that too. So they offer support. In fact, here's their FAQs right here, which helps you out a lot. Okay. So just create an account. You go up here, sign up, and actually no, I'm sorry, I do apologize. I'm sorry. You have to download the app first. You have to download the app, and I'm going to show you guys what the app looks like. So I'm going to show you guys what the app looks like. I'm going to put some screenshots on the screen right now. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I mean, you can get to work on this ASAP. Just pull up the map, and in your local area, you'll see jobs listed in your local area or wherever you're located at that time. So for me, I'm in Fort Lauderdale. So in Fort Lauderdale, they had a ton of jobs. I mean, it was like when I first started the app, nothing showed up, and then I kind of let it refresh a little bit, and once it refreshed, it was like 45 different jobs. And the jobs that I seen, they range from $8 to like $12. I saw some for like $30 and stuff like that. So it's some good paying gigs out there. And then they give you an actual time of when the task needs to be completed. So not only do they give you a time of when the task needs to be completed, they also give you how many other people are looking at that job, or or how many people were applying for that job. So as you can see from the screenshots that I put up for you guys, it's just very detailed, and I think it will be something that's good for just to make some extra money on your down days or your off days, or even if you're a student, a college student, and you get out of class and you want to make some extra money, you can do it that way. And they pay directly via PayPal. I don't know what the payout. I don't think there isn't a payout, any type of payout restrictions. I think you can get paid daily. So, but just look into that and see what that's, again, that website is gigwalk.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay. So the next site I thinking is amazing company. Well, no, I think it's an amazing concept. Humanatic is a software that was created to provide companies with an in-depth analysis of their company's phone calls. So basically quality control. So you're going to get paid to listen to recorded phone calls, answer a simple question with a click of a button, and earn real money. So the process is real easy to sign up. You will need a verified PayPal account. The reason why they want you to have a verified PayPal account is because they want to know that you are who you say you are. You are a real person. They want to verify your identity. And PayPal goes through a strenuous amount of verifications in order to do that. So if they can piggyback off of PayPal, then they figured, they would be provided with the ideal agents to work for them. All right. So basically, have you ever heard those when you call a call center or you call customer support, you ever heard at the beginning of the call it says this call is being recorded? Yeah, well, that's most likely Humanatic, who's actually running, handling that quality control. So, but it's free to sign up. Again, you review calls and get paid. So the sign up process, I actually signed up for it as well. So the sign up process is relatively easy. You just click here. You have to log in with your PayPal account. Now, I won't do that right now because I don't feel like going through all that and everything. But you log in with your PayPal account, and it has to be it has to be a verified PayPal account. With them, you can actually create your own schedule and make as little or as much as you want. So what you're gonna be doing is listening to calls and then rating those calls. I haven't tested it out as of yet, but one thing I did do was I was doing some research. It seems like back in 2017 they had some issues. They had some major issues where the software that they use to handle the agents was canceling a lot of accounts, and it was just the customer support was really, really horrible on that. But after reading, they seem to have fixed those issues, and now they're starting to bring in more accounts. Now you have to be careful with them because they have strict policies. They have a lot of things that they look at in terms of canceling accounts and everything. But they do pay worldwide. Like you can do this worldwide, so which is good as well. So just be careful when you sign up. Make sure you provide all your information. Make sure you provide correct information. Make sure you are doing exactly what the instructions are telling you to do on every single call, because if not, they will cancel your account. Like, they have a no tolerance policy for any fraudulent like activities or anything of that nature. They will cancel your account quick. It doesn't matter how much money you have in your account. They will cancel it and you won't get paid. Okay, so just be careful with that. Again, the site is humanatic.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay. All right, you guys, that is 3 websites that pay you directly via PayPal. Hope I can bring you guys some value with this video, and I hope you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you on the next video.